morning, children. Let us start our class with a thought. If you see a friend without a smile, give him one of yours. I repeat the thought. If you see a friend without a smile, give him one of yours. By Dada J.P. Vaswani. Children, today, before we start the word problems, let us listen to a short story. In this story, there are two friends, Ravi and Sara. Ravi had a beautiful garden in front of his house. Ravi and Sara both together planted many variety of plants. They both took care of them, watered and added many natural manure. Children, do you think planting trees is a good habit? Yes, planting trees is a good habit because it reduces pollution and gives us a fresh air. So, after few days, many plants and flowers had grown. Seeing those beautiful flowers, the guest who visited Ravi's house would pluck those flowers. Ravi and Sara did not like people plucking flowers. Children, do you think plucking flowers is a good habit? No, it is not a good habit. So, they both decided to put a fence around the garden. Now, children, what will be the first step Ravi and Sara would do? Yes, that's right. First, they would measure the distance around the garden and find out its perimeter. Now, according to the distance, they would prepare a fence to protect the garden. Children, in the story, we find how our perimeter useful in our daily life. So, coming back to our exercise 11a. Children, in our previous class, we have solved problems 1, 2, 3. Okay, fourth problem is as our homework. Now, coming to the fifth problem. Now, what is the fifth problem? 3 square tiles of 15 centimeters are placed side by side to form a rectangle. Find the perimeter of the rectangle formed. Children, I repeat the question. 3 square tiles of 15 centimeters are placed side by side to form a rectangle. Find the perimeter of the rectangle formed. Before we going to the solution, children, just imagine that you have 3 square boxes. Okay, now arrange these square boxes side by side. Okay, after arranging these square boxes, these 3 square boxes form into a rectangle. Yes, 3 square boxes joined together to form a rectangle. So coming back to the solution. Now what is given in the problem? There are 3 square tiles of 15 centimeters are placed side by side. So 3 square tiles joined together form a rectangle. Now what is given? 3 square tiles of 15 centimeters. So look at the figure over here. In this figure, we find that these 3 square boxes are placed together and it has formed a rectangle. Now the side of the square tiles is of 15 centimeters. So 1 square boxes is of 15 centimeters. Means 3 square boxes, what will be the length? It will be 15 centimeter plus 15 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. That is equal to 45 centimeter. Because over here we have joined 3 square boxes. So when we are joining 3 square boxes, we have to add the length. So length of the rectangle form will be 15 centimeter plus 15 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. That is equal to 45 centimeter. Okay, children, the next step. Now what will be the breadth of the rectangle? It will be 15 centimeter because in a square all sides are equal. When we are placing 3 square tiles together to form a rectangle, and we know that in a square all sides are equal. So the breadth will be 15 centimeter. Now look at this figure over here. The breadth is 15 centimeter. So children, what is the perimeter of a rectangle? We have discussed the formula in the previous class. Yes? Yes. So the perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. That is 2 into L plus B. Now we know the length and we know the breadth of the rectangle. Now substitute in the formula. That will be equal to 2 into 45 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. Now children, what is 45 centimeters plus 15 centimeters? It is 60 centimeters. Very good. Now 2 into 60 centimeters is equal to 120 centimeters. Thus the perimeter is equal to 120 centimeters. Children, the units over here is in centimeter because the 3 square tiles is of 15 centimeters and the units given over here is in centimeters. So the perimeter also will be in centimeters. Now coming to our sixth problem. What is the sixth problem? The total length of a fence around a square feet is 466 meters. Find the length of each side of the field. I repeat the question again. The total length of a fence around a square field is 466 meter. Find the length of each side of the field. Now children, in this question, what are the things given? First one, total length is given, means that will be a perimeter. So total length of a fence is equal to 466 meter. So that will be a perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 466 meters. Now children, what is perimeter of a square? Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into sides, and in a square all sides are equal. So total length of a fence, that is perimeter, is equal to 466 meters. That is equal to 4 into sides. Now what we have to find out, children? Now we have to find out the length of each side. Okay. So when we have to find the side, and when total perimeter is given, then side is equal to 466 meter divided by 4. The inverse of multiplication is division. So side will be 116.5 meter. The units over here is given in meters. So answer will be 116.5 meter. So children, look at this figure over here. In a square, all sides are equal and perimeter is equal to 466 meter. So now perimeter is given, you have to find the sides. Okay children. Now our seventh problem. Find the length of a side of an equilateral triangle whose perimeter is 72 centimeter. I repeat the question. Find the length of a side of an equilateral triangle whose perimeter is 72 centimeter. Coming to the solution. Now what is equilateral triangle? In equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal. Means in a triangle, all three sides will be equal. That is called as your equilateral triangle. Now what is given? Perimeter is given. So perimeter given is equal to 72 centimeters. Now what is perimeter of a triangle, children? It is sum of three sides. So perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of three sides. Now perimeter of a triangle is already given, that is 72 centimeters. That is equal to side plus side plus side, sum of three sides. Now side plus sides becomes into 3 into side. So 3 times. So 3 into side. So side is equal to, now we have to find out side. So side is equal to 72 divided by 3. Therefore side is equal to 24 centimeter. Children, you have to solve the division problem, to your right side of your book. Now the answer is side is equal to 24 centimeter. Centimeter is the units because the perimeter of the triangle is given in centimeter. So the units will be in centimeter. So answer is equal to side is equal to 24 centimeter. And children, your fourth problem is as your homework.